Hello dear fans. How to calculate the concentration of a substance. The concentration of a solution is a value that shows what mass of a substance is contained in a certain volume or mass of a solution. Even the most remote person from chemistry comes across this concept literally at every step, for example, when buying in a store 9% vinegar for home canning, or 20% cream to add them to coffee. How is the concentration of the solution calculated? Instructions. Step 1. Suppose, in an amount of 200 or 300 milliliters of water, 58.5 grams of sodium chloride, that is, common salt, is dissolved. Then, adding water, the total mass of the solution was brought to 1 kilogram. It is easy to guess that the solution in this case will contain 58.5 grams of salt and 941.5 grams of water. What will be the mass fraction of salt? Step 2. Calculating this is as easy as shelling pears. For this, divide the amount of salt by the total mass of the solution and multiply by 100%. It will look like this: 58, 5/1000, asterisk 100% equals 5.85%. Step 3. Formulate the problem a little differently. The same amount of salt was dissolved in water, then the volume of the solution was brought to 1 liter. What will be the molar concentration of the solution? Step 4. Remember the very definition of molar concentration. This is the number of moles of a solute contained in 1 liter of solution. And what is a mole of table salt? Its formula is NaCl. The molar mass is about 58.5. In other words, in 1 liter of solution you have exactly 1 mole of salt. You will get a 1.0 molar solution. Step 5. Well, now go back to the original conditions of the problem where the total weight of the solution was exactly 1 kilogram. How do you find the molality of such a solution? Step 6. And here, too, there is nothing complicated. Above, you have already calculated that 58.5 grams of table salt accounts for 941.5 grams of water. Substituting the known values into the formula m equals V/m, where m is the molality value, V is the number of moles of the substance in solution, and m is the mass of the solvent in kilograms, you get 1.0/0. 9415 is equal to 1.062 molar solution. Thanks for watching.